First of all, we need to be updated all the time to keep knowing that several disasters are taking place in your surrounding. You have to be updated with your TV, your radios, or your mobile phones. You can also go through a website of www.imd.gov.in. On this website, it shows the climate, the weather forecasting of India. That's for the Indian climate. So this is a Indian website which shows the rainfall, the clouds, the climate of what it is, in which area it can give a heavy rainfall, or in which area it will give wind at what time. So these all things are shown in the website www.imd.gov.in. It means World Wide Web dot Indian Meteorological Department dot Government dot India. So that is the website for the weather forecasting of India. So with the help of news channels, radios, mobile news, newspapers, we can be updated. We will get news, the daily news every time. Let's understand what can be done as a preventive measures. What means first aid? When a certain person is in injury, at least we can give him first aid. First aid means what? For the first, he needs some precautions. Like we can give him a glass of water, we can apply little bit ointment on the wound, we can dress him with the tape, we can apply some spray so that he is not getting that pain. So this is all first aid. What if suddenly fire takes place around us? We can make use of fire extinguisher, which will help to control the fire. If there is earthquake, we have to lie below the table so that if anything falls, will not directly fall on us. The table can protect us. So that are the preventive measures of earthquake. Let's study the preventive measures of external bleeding. External bleeding means getting a hurt, getting wound, and the blood starts flowing. So that is the external bleeding. What can be done for an external bleeding? Let's see. As the blood flows towards the gravitational force, we have to keep the bleeding part upright so that the blood does not flow too much. Minor burns and major burns, that are serious burns. In case of minor burns or scalds, the injured part should be washed with water or held under water. Give the victim water to drink. Victim means the person who is suffering from. Give the victim water to drink. Clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. For example, like a Dettol liquid. So that is an antiseptic solution. Do not apply oily ointment. Cover wounds using dry dressings. Serious burns. Give emotional support. Cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. Blisters means you must have seen some bubbles appearing towards the wound. They are called as blisters. So we should not burst that blisters. It will create the wound, it will increase the wound. Do not apply oily ointments. Do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burned skin. If the patient is conscious, give water to drink but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. Get medical aid at once. So these are the preventive measures for serious and minor burns. Let's study what is sunstroke. Many people get faint due to extreme sunlight. That is because of the loss of control of your brain due to the sugar level in your body. So this happens because of extreme sunlight. The dark shadow appears in front of your eyes and due to which immediately you fall down at any place you are. So that is sunstroke. What can be done to prevent from sunstroke? Take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. So when he is fallen down in the sunlight, you have to first take the patient to the shade. Take him in the cool place. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquid like sharbat to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, that is, on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side. Get medical help or shift the patient to the hospital. So this is the first aid of sunstroke. We have heard by our parents and grandparents what they did if a snake bites. If a snake bites, they used to tie a cloth. Why? Because when the snake bites, it releases poison, right? It releases venom or the poison to the body of the human being or anybody, whoever the snake bites. So that poison should not travel throughout our body. For that, you have to tie a cloth or a strip or a thread which will make the blood flow stop there. With the blood, it will not travel. The venom will not travel. So that is the first aid of the snake bite. And immediately you need to go to the doctor. Dog bites. When a dog bites, we don't know whether that dog is infected by rabies or no. So, first of all, just clean that wound with the help of some antiseptic. Give water to the victim and directly go to the doctor. Clean the wound and directly go to the doctor. So that is the first aid for dog bites. Thank you.